manage the orders from web admin panel, here you can see we are having one option called orders and returns. So let me click to the orders. Here you can see all the orders which I have received from my customers. Okay, here is the order ID, the username, amount of the order. So let's do a demo order. We'll go to our website, and from here we will select any of the products. Let's say we are selecting this one. So here I'll just order this. So we are on the cart page. Here I will place an order, and the next we will mention the details over here. We will select the schedule delivery and continue. Okay, so here I am having two methods. So I'll place the order via cash on delivery. If I want to do the manual payment, I can go for the manual payment also. If the bank details are mentioned over here, then accordingly I'll do it, or else I'll go for cash on delivery and I'll confirm the order. The order ID will be displayed to you over here, and to contact the seller via WhatsApp, that number will also be mentioned over here. Now here you can see we will go to the order list. So here the order has been placed. If we want to check the orders, like if the end customer wants to check the orders, he can check it from here. This is the order in today's date, what he has placed. Now let's go to order. We will just refresh it once. Here you can see we have got a notification, a new order is received from Ruchi. So once you click over there, you'll be redirected to the specific order. So this is the order right now which we have received. Here you can see the customer details, the delivery time and schedule, because it was there already. Payment is made by cash on delivery. Here you can see the order amount, quantity and everything. Here is the order summary along with the image of the order. Now here right now the status is new. That means the order is just received. Suppose if I am dispatching this order today, my order is ready and I am dispatching it today, then I can mention it as dispatched. In case I want to cancel the order, suppose if I am not having the stock of it, I can cancel the order, and the last one is delivered. So we will see what information it asks for us for dispatching the order. So once I click on dispatched, here you can see it will ask me the custom courier service provider. So we'll just click on the drop down, and here you can see certain courier companies are mentioned over there. In case the courier company which you are sending through is not available, you can click on others. Here you can mention the tracking number which will be given to you by the courier company. Suppose this is a tracking number, and here we will mention the comments, like suppose if it is from other courier service. So here I can mention that XYZ courier company will deliver your order by so and so date. Whichever date is given to you by the company, that you can mention to the customer. Else if you want any other information to mention in the comment, you can mention that also. And after clicking on save, now the customer will get the notification of the order as the order has been dispatched in the email. So here you can see now the status has changed. Now here if I see as a customer, I'll just refresh my order page once. Here you can see the order has been dispatched here. Now for more details, the customer can go to the registered email ID, and there he will get a notification about it.